Okay, running a continuity test from the PCM connection that goes from the OSS, and here's where the OSS actually plugs into the OSS sensor on the transmission. And as we're looking at our continuity, we're at zero continuity, so this line is not broken. I've just ran a small round of tape on it, found a bunch of wires that were oil soaked and literally stuck together. Hopefully the AC, these sensors, this sensor actually, this VSS and the TSS, wherever the hell it went, where's the TSS? Okay, here's the TSS. Both of these run off of, they generate an alternate current. So you can't actually measure them at static. The vehicle's got to be rolling and so and so. So our PIDs, while we were driving the vehicle, dropped to zero. Replaced the OSS and the TSS and still had the same issues. So pulled the wiring harness apart, found it oil soaked, busted all the pieces. So I'm redoing the loom, the taping. I've cleaned all the wires off, made sure that we have everything's cleaned up. What I was concerned about is the wire that actually come off here, the green and white wire that goes from here to the PCM. Somewhere along this part of the circuitry where it was oil soaked and stuck together, glued together, I believe it was there, closer to the PCM side. Yeah, close to the PCM side. This was all oil, just literally covered in oil and glued together. The pieces were glued. I pulled the wires apart, looked out and found no breaks in the wire or anything. I've wiggled this harness, I've done everything, nothing seems to change on the continuity side. I'm shaking stuff, I'm bending wires, I'm doing whatever I can to try to get a reaction, and everything's showing good continuity. So this wire should be good. I've checked the other wires, same, no problem with those as well. So we're going to try to move forward from here and put the loom on and reinstall the harness, and if we still have an OSS, then more than likely it's going to be a problem with the PCM.